Welcome to Radiant Mindset. These stress relief affirmations are crafted to help you release tension, calm racing thoughts, and return to a peaceful state of mind. Let each word guide you toward inner balance, emotional ease, and a deeper connection to calm. Breathe deeply, relax, and allow serenity to flow through you. I gently release all tension from my mind and body, allowing calm to flow through me with every breath I take. I am safe in this moment, and I allow peace to settle into my heart, mind, and soul with total ease. I am not my stress. I am the calm, grounded awareness that gently watches it pass like clouds in the sky. My breath is my anchor. With every inhale, I invite calm. With every exhale, I let go of all anxiety. I trust that everything is working out for my highest good. Even if I cannot see it in this moment, it's okay to pause. I give myself permission to rest, release, and return to peace without guilt or resistance. My body responds to calm thoughts, and I choose now to fill my mind with comfort, safety, and ease. I let go of the need to control. I trust the flow of life and surrender to its gentle rhythm. Peace is not something I chase. It lives within me, and I access it with quiet intention and self-love. I am not defined by the chaos around me. I carry peace within, no matter the storm outside. My nervous system is calming down, and I can feel a soft wave of relaxation washing over me now. I choose thoughts that nourish me, actions that support me, and environments that bring me peace. In this moment, nothing is required of me but to breathe, to be still, and to allow peace to return. I am stronger than my stress, and I gently remind myself that this too shall pass. I forgive myself for any pressure I placed on my shoulders today. I am doing the best I can. I am not behind. I am right on time, moving at my own perfect pace toward a calm and fulfilling life. Every deep breath I take brings more space into my body, releasing tension, heaviness, and tightness with grace. I release the urge to overthink and welcome the simplicity of this quiet, peaceful moment. I allow my mind to soften, my heart to relax, and my spirit to rest in this space of stillness. I am deserving of peace, healing, and clarity, even when life feels overwhelming or uncertain. I choose to be kind to myself, to show up gently, and to hold myself in loving awareness. It's okay to not have all the answers right now. I trust that they will come when I'm calm and ready. I do not have to solve everything today. I give myself permission to simply be and breathe. My worth is not measured by productivity. I am valuable just by being who I am, peaceful, present, and whole. I let go of judgment and allow myself to feel without shame. I meet myself with compassion and love. I ground myself in this moment. The past is gone, the future will come, and now is where peace lives. I am in control of how I respond. I choose to respond with calm, clarity, and love. I trust myself to handle whatever comes my way, one peaceful step at a time. I don't need to rush. I take things slowly, with grace and patience, honoring my nervous system's need for calm. I give myself permission to take up space, to rest, and to release any burden I no longer need to carry. I listen to my inner voice, and it gently reminds me that I am supported, loved, and never alone. I release all pressure and invite spaciousness, ease, and soft energy to fill me up from within. Even in chaos, I can find moments of stillness. I tune into those moments and let them expand. I choose to treat myself the way I treat someone I deeply love, with tenderness, care, and patience. The world can wait. Right now, I choose to rest and recharge. in a peaceful state of being. I take time to nurture myself because I am worthy of care, rest, and emotional freedom. When I slow down, I hear my intuition clearly. I trust that inner knowing and move with a gentle intention. I release tension from my shoulders, jaw, and mind. I allow my body to melt into a state of peace. Peace is my birthright. I no longer resist it. I open my heart fully to it now. I am calm, centered, and grounded in the present moment where nothing is wrong and all is well. I no longer carry energy that isn't mine. I let go of other people's stress and return to my own calm center. My heart is open, my breath is steady, and I trust that I am okay exactly as I am. I let my inner light lead me through the darkness, gently guiding me back to peace and clarity. I choose to love myself through every stressful moment with kindness, not criticism. I honor my emotions, but I do not let them define me. I am calm awareness behind every feeling. I soften into this moment. I am held, I am supported, and I am safe to just be. I release the need to be perfect. Peace grows when I accept myself fully, flaws and all. My body knows how to heal, and when I am calm, I allow that healing to happen effortlessly. I give myself space to feel, to cry, to breathe, and to release all pressure with love. I tune out the noise of the world and turn inward where peace lives and gently waits for me. My life doesn't have to be stress-free to be beautiful. I find beauty in small, quiet moments. I remind myself that everything is temporary, even stress. This moment is passing, and I am returning to peace. I am not here to struggle. I am here to thrive. And peace is the foundation of my thriving life. I slow down and feel grounded. I am rooted in calm, in trust, and in presence. I give myself grace for today and permission to try again tomorrow with more ease and patience. I breathe in calm and exhale fear. I am safe. I am loved. I am free. I choose thoughts that bring peace. I am the thinker of my thoughts, and I direct them with loving intention. I can let go of everything that no longer serves my inner peace. I choose to keep only what soothes me. My calm energy influences everything around me. I bring stillness into every space I enter. I am ready to feel better. I open myself to peace, trust the process, and breathe my way back to calm. Thank you for spending these peaceful moments with Radiant Mindset. May your heart feel lighter, your mind feel clearer, and your soul feel at ease. If these affirmations brought you calm, please like, comment, share, and subscribe. Let's spread peace together, one affirmation and one breath at a time.